Marquee 360's PPM360 is characterized as a Microsoft Planner accelerator. It leverages the power of Microsoft Planner to offer a pre-configured, customizable solution that meets the needs of modern project management offices and project teams. The intake process standardizes the capture and evaluation of project ideas so that projects can be initiated with confidence. It captures request information and preliminary project details, and includes a means of scoring and prioritization. Submitted requests go through an approval process, and the result is a PPM 360 project. All of this can be customized to suit your business process. In addition to general project details, PPM 360 supports the capture of key project charter elements and any other metadata required by your organization. The definition and management of tasks within PPM 360 harnesses the functionality of Microsoft Planner's premium plans. While project managers can manually create their project plans, PPM 360 defined projects can also automatically generate a default task schedule based on the intake request type or a designated project template. PPM 360 defined projects integrate with Microsoft Teams. This is so members can share discussions and documents while reviewing project details and tasks, all within the familiar Teams environment, enhancing communication and productivity. PPM 360 projects can also be integrated with Planner so that individuals have a holistic view of their workload across enterprise projects using My Tasks and My Day. Project managers track individual project progress using a governance flow that supports your way of working, potentially with stage gate approvals. PMs also use PPM 360 to manage their project teams, formulate and email status updates. This includes the ability to copy previous status updates to streamline the process. They can track financials at a high level or at a more detailed level with our Financials 360 solution that captures budgets, forecasts, purchase requests, purchase orders, and invoices. Many customers integrate Financials 360 with their existing ERPs. PPM 360 also supports capturing up to 15 task schedule baselines. Other PMO valued capabilities include risk management, and this supports the conversion of risks to issues, change management, and the capture of valuable lessons learned. Again, all aspects of the PPM 360 solution can be tailored to meet your specific needs. PMs can quickly inspect the status of projects with its plans timeline view, and portfolio and program managers will appreciate the ability to roll up projects into portfolios for strategic alignment, and programs for the orchestration of related initiatives. Resource managers will appreciate and value PPM360's centralized resource management center that encompasses resource roles, skills, capacity, availability, work hours, and utilization. And through PPM 360's comprehensive library of standard reports, organizations are positioned to make informed decisions and drive success. Reports support the analysis of intake requests, portfolios, programs, projects, resources, and tasks. With PPM 360's Microsoft Planner Accelerator, your organization can modernize the way it manages projects without compromising functionality. Built on a framework of proven best practices and enhanced with features PMOs value the most, PPM 360 empowers teams to plan, track, and deliver with confidence. Ready to take Microsoft Planner to the next level? Contact Marquee 360 today and start modernizing your work.